Let's explore the benefits of a partnership between Dallas College and the Society of Maintenance Reliability Professionals North Texas chapter. This collaboration can significantly enhance both organizations, particularly in light of projected manufacturing job losses in Texas and the need for government organizations to keep manufacturing local. In Texas alone, over 100,000 jobs have been lost since 2000, primarily due to overseas competition, automation, and skills gap. Our goal is to foster alignment and community within both organizations to support sustainability and job growth in the Dallas, Texas area. Our scope, we aim to create a framework that aligns training with industry needs in manufacturing and engineering. Stakeholder, Dallas College, Garland Chamber of Commerce, and the SMRP North Texas chapter. Vision, our vision is to develop tailored workforce trainings through the Skilled Development Funds. Solutions include expanding programs in emerging industries, deepening partnerships to secure grants and facilitate job placements. The benefits of Dallas College and the SMRP, addressing skill gaps. This partnership directly tackles the skill gaps in maintenance and reliability, which are critical to the success of smart factories. Research indicates that workers often lack essential skills in AI, Internet of Things, robotics, and can lead to low morale and high turnover. Through this partnership, we can enhance customized training by leveraging skill development fund grants, as illustrated in the concept map, and expand programs in emerging sectors like technology and green energy. Strengthen the community partnership. SMRP's expertise in manufacturing reliability aligns well with Dallas College's commitment to workforce development. This collaboration will deepen our connections with local chambers of commerce, allowing us to secure additional grants and tailor training programs to have a greater economic impact. Foster human-centric motivation, utilizing self-determination theory, emphasizing autonomy, competency, and relatedness. This collaboration will lower barriers such as limited funding and competency, prioritizing enabling us to implement pilot programs that promote maintenance best practices. How the SMRP North Texas chapter supports Dallas College through proven specialized trainings in reliability engineering and Operator 4.0 solutions. Co-hosting events such as job fairs, workshops, including sessions on grant application and BioLeak check-ins. Offering expertise from chapter sessions to assist in accumulation of development and enrolling workers in programs such as precision machining and welding. Supporting pilot projects by launching maintenance best practices. Additionally, this initiative aims to facilitate networking by connecting particulars with employees for direct job pipelines, reducing turnover, and enhancing overall performance. Sharing resources for Industrial 4.0, 5.0 transitions, and also promote sustainability and resilience. Ultimately, this partnership bridges the gap between technological innovation and human development, which is vital for maintaining Texas' competitive edge. Let's work together to build a stronger future.